So hello guys, good afternoon. So for today's video guys, I'm going to my saddling mulberry. I will update you. So I have to remove all the plastic because now it's finally APU cities finally. So I have to remove the plastic. So okay. Have to remove the plastic. Huh? Ah. Okay, I have to remove all. Charan. Charan. To remove. Oh, already have a leaf. This is my update of my mulberry. This is long Himalayan reed. So, charan. Charan. So, I have to remove. Remove. So, finally, up, patat. It's patay min man. To remove. Okay. I have to put this one water now. Finally. So, nabuhi na siya, no? Nakita ninyo, nabuhi na yun siya. So, itong buhaton anak karon is ato lang na siyang bubuan. Abot, ulan pero ako lang ang bubuan karon. Wait, sabi. So, update sa other side. That one is Himalayan, no? And this one is kuan, Australian hybrid ni siya. So, I remove all the plastic. So, you see, we already have fruit. Okay, have to remove all. Charan. So, remove. This is Himalayan. Oh, no, not Himalayan. Sorry. This is Australian hybrid. So, I have to remove all the plastic. So, finally. So, you know, I compare the, I put the plastic without putting the plastic. So, this one, I don't put the plastic. So, this one, same day I planting this one. But, you see, I put this one, all of this one, I put plastic. But you look, you see, if you see, all have a leaf. And then this one, without plastic, no leaves, no? See? Oh, charan. So now, I have put water. I have to put the water. No? Put some water. So, put some water here. See? I put first over there. It's okay. Finally, I put water. So, again. Okay. Other side. I have to put water also. Charan. Ay, sorry about my kuan because okay, done. What happened? Bunny. Ay, come back here, Bunny. So, bye-bye. Thank you for watching.